Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Naturally Dope. Now today, I'm making pasta primavera with shrimp and garlic bread. Now everything I have today, I already had it in my house, but you can always substitute to tailor to your specific needs. I took the 1 pack of spaghetti and I broke it into 3 parts. You know how you crack your spaghetti. And you're just gonna cook it till it's al dente. You want to be able to take a piece of pasta and throw it against the wall and it stick. You don't want it to be completely cooked all the way through, because then it's gonna be so mushy that what's the point? You know what I mean? Whenever I make this, I always cut my vegetables however my pasta is. And since I had spaghetti, I julienned everything. Mind you, if you don't like it, take it out. You want to add something else, put it in. If I would have had broccoli, I would have had broccoli in there, but didn't have any broccoli. But hey, tailor to your specific needs. Now me, I love garlic. So I added a couple tablespoons of garlic, but mind you, as I say, do what you do for you. Because a lot of people don't like all that garlic, but me, won't no vampires be coming to get me today. You're going to cook both your pasta and your veggies on medium heat. You want to cook your vegetables until they are just before they start to get mushy. You still want them to hold up in your pasta, but you don't want them to be so overcooked that it's just, you ruin the whole meal. This right here was a garlic pepper blend that I got from the grocery store. It's supposed to be a grinder, but I didn't have time for all that. Just take it out, put your couple teaspoons in there. Again, it is to your liking. This is all you're doing, is throwing everything in the pot, you know? Do it how you do it, get it how you live. Be sure to stir that pasta. You don't want it to stick. Nothing like some stuck pasta. Don't mind all that steam, baby. We're really cooking over here. I don't know about anybody else, but we're really cooking over here. Right here, you'll see me grab 1.5 cups of my pasta water. It'll just make everything meld together once I put my pasta and my sauce and mix everything together. Pasta water makes the pasta stick to your sauce. Always remember that. No matter what sauce that you have, put your pasta water in the sauce to let your pasta stick to everything. Now I added my frozen shrimp, probably about 1 pound, I believe I had left in this bag. But again, you could do it with chicken. You could do it with no meat. You could do it with tofu. And if you don't like alfredo sauce, you have a lactose intolerant, use spaghetti sauce. Baby, whatever you have in your cabinet, tailor it to you, what you have. I'm not saying going out to the store and go buy all this stuff. No. Look in your cabinet, see what makes sense, and put it together. Look at that. Now you're going to turn it to low. You're going to add your pasta, mix it around. You're going to add 1/2 or to 3/4 of your Parmesan cheese. That was just 1 cup right there. We're going to add it. We're going to mix it up. And if you like more cheese, baby, add more cheese. You like less cheese? Hey, do without the extra cheese. Again, this is tailored to yourself. All right, family. Thank you for watching. And as always, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And remember to be nobody but yourself. Naturally dope.